It was a very busy week. Let's see what made the Intense 5. Skip Marley was denied entry into Canada when he tried to cross the border from the US. Although he didn't state it, rumor has it that he's not vaccinated, and right now for Canada, that's a big no-no. Skeng is getting ready to release his first EP, Best of an Era. He's been teasing it and we can't wait. Kanye, or Ye, whatever his name is right now, has apologized for the stress he caused Kim Kardashian while on Good Morning America. Okay, yeah, we hear you. Yeah. And still on the Kardashians. Now we know this, right? But still, I really feel like they should change their name to Drama. So after Khloe and Tristan decide to have another kid via surrogate, a week after they found out the embryo transfer was successful, Khloe finds out that Tristan had another baby on the way. Boy, me no know, me just no know. And finally holding the number 1 spot this week, Poppy has a Swedish son and Lord him cute bad. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.